Hello everyone, this is Martina from the I'm Care community. Today we're going to talk about makeup. Natural but super strong, intense, dramatic, summertime makeup. Ta-da! I really enjoy it and I love the fact that I chose the perfect color for my eyes, for my skin tone. Then, isn't summer and makeup about this? Anyway, if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna start with a new product. I bought it on Amazon and I've been testing it for a while. It was very cheap, like €8 here in Italy. And so I've been using it for 2 weeks and now it's not like the result is not amazing as before, but the purpose is to use these 3 little things here that should design hair, brows. So we'll see. Now I'll use it and then I'll do all of the skin contouring in one. Once we're done with the brows, we'll continue with the eye area. This is the other product I'm using. Is color correction from Sephora. I bought 2, so if anyone wants one, I don't know why I bought 2. It's the first purchase I've done on Sephora online, so I actually didn't try it on before buying it, but they're very good. I like them. Especially, as you can see, I'm using the more orangey one, the lighter one, and the purple one. The green one, no, I hate it. So, this is my starting contouring process. I'll start with my eyes, so just your average corrector. Triangle, not only underneath the eyelid but as a triangle on the cheek, so it's more natural and we don't have that fake result that nobody likes. Oh yeah, I used my fingers. I think we're done. Now I'll continue with the lighter part underneath. Okay. Then choose the purple color on the highlight. So mostly is my nose and on the you can see how much light I'm giving on the center area, and then I'll just use a little bit over here. Usually I don't like do the whole contouring and then start my eye makeup. I start with this and then I continue with the eyes and then finish and end the makeup with the perfect contouring. This is my palette from I Love Makeup. I use the brown. I chose this brown bronze to make the cat eye a little look, and then I'll use the blue on the whole thing here. Now that I've done with this cat eye face, I'll give a more intense look with this blue that's it's actually not the color of my eyes, but it emphasizes the bluish. I'll use this bronze on the with my fingers because we love fingers. And as you can see, it's so fast. We're almost done. This is the golden thing, whitish golden thing that I use. Okay, now, still on the eyes, we need to work on, we're going on a night state, so we need a little pencil, even though I usually don't wear them during the day. So, this is what I do. So, very nice, tall, purple pencil. I'll use purple pencil on the inside and on the top, and then I'll use the gray pencil from Chanel, I think. Yeah, there you go. On the lower part of my eye. So, blend, blend, blend. My eyes are a bit different, so I need to be a little more specific because you see this part tends to go like in a normal direction. Instead, this part goes a little down. So I need to do a better job on, do the cat eye effect. So I'll use the purple pencil to improve this. Okay, so I'm done with the pencil and eye work. I didn't put any mascara on, not because I'm crazy, but because I've done a treatment that makes my eyes already like wide open and it colors and makes it curly, so I really don't need mascara. But of course, that's the most important step in this kind of eye intense dramatic look makeup. No mascara, no party. So I'll just finish up the eye part with this thing this brush that I love, and it makes my brows perfectly up. I'll put like some airspray, but I don't have it right now, so if you do have it, it'll make your eyes really go bam up, your brows go up. Okay, so before we continue with contouring and lips, I wanted to say that to me, my makeup style, my like fashion style, is focused on colors and shapes and not actually on what's trendy in this moment. So that's why I really concentrate on what makes my eye pop and what is gentle on my face shape. In fact, I would never use eyeliner, and even though I use my pencil, I blend it out because I feel that with my like eyes that are not super tight, and I need to more open effect than cat eye effect. So now that we're done with this speech, I'll continue with my hand contouring from Sephora. Show you Sephora. It's so cool. You practically have to design your own face. This is my, a weak spot, so I actually care a lot about making it more sharp. And my nose, I don't really care, but I just do it because I like it. So this is the way I do it, and you can also, if you feel that this is too dry on your skin, you can also mix it. You can also mix it with a cream. I suggest you a very delicate cream, not so greasy, but it could help you. But you can see I'm not using any tools. My forehead. Do you contour your forehead? Let me know in the comments below. Use this Kiko. This is a powder from Kiko just to make all this work stay. Perfect. Now we're almost done with the contouring. I'll use this Milk makeup. It was like travel size, so I just wanted to try it on, and it actually works. It does its job. It's just more light for the important spots, and it's a creamy version, so it's perfect because I already put one before. It wasn't as creamy as this one, and just really makes the huge difference. So I don't use actually a blush because I get red so easily, so I really don't need it. I just need to see someone and start becoming like a huge tomato. So you want to turn that down and not up. So we're almost there. Always from Sephora. This nude lipstick. Of course, we already concentrated a lot on our eyes, so we don't want to overdo it. And it's actually very creamy, so it's perfect for this kind of lipstick that actually stays and makes your lips kind of dehydrated. And this actually, they're the right couple, even though they come from different companies. I don't know where does this come from. Okay, so I hope you really like this makeup. I'm so glad that I'm gonna see my boyfriend tonight, so he's gonna make a lot of compliments. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the button. Love you guys. Mwah.